Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can replace your pets in Heartopia. So for instance, you got the dog or the cat you didn't want, and you want to replace them. I know, but this is just a tutorial, and this is just a game. But don't do this in real life, okay? Um, anyways, besides the point, go to your watch and go to pets, and you'll need your growth level with them to be at 3,000. Then you're going to want to press this icon, select go out so they follow you. And I'm just going to, does it follow me still if I get into a car? Oh my gosh, Tater, I seriously will replace you if you don't follow me. Oh my gosh, he is usually fast. Does he know that he's being replaced? What's going on? Oh, you want? I'm just going to cut the scene to where I'm in the pet shop. Okay, now that we're at the pet shop, we're just going to select this icon here, this chat bubble, and then select pet boarding. Hello, there we go. Okay, then you're going to select board here, and then you're going to press confirm boarding. You are able to retrieve your pets. It can't be boarded or picked up again until 6 the next day. Okay. It costs, 20,000 gold coins, by the way. So it is a lot. Then you're just going to, I think, leave your pet, and then you're able to get another pet here. And then if you don't want your pet back, just don't press retrieve, I guess. But if you still want them back, you still have the option to retrieve it. I'm not sure like the length it costs to retrieve to still retrieve your like pets here, but I assume it's not. I'm just going to exit because even though I really want the Dalmatian, I get attached to a lot of things pretty quickly. But he's so cute. Why should I leave Tater? Comment down below if I should leave Tater. I'm just kidding. I will go back with the same dog, but yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!